Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video I want to do tie-dye because I got this little kit here. 3 colors, fuchsia, pink, and purple. I got some gym shirts that's just white. So this will be mine, and then also my husband's. He said that it's fine that I tie-dye it, so I'm doing that. And then I have this bag from church, something beautiful for a women's conference last year. So I want to tie-dye this bag too. I think it'll be really cool and cute. I'm excited to see how these turn out. So I'm just going to open them really quick in the instructions. Rubber bands. Gloves. I'm going to put it in the dryer. Alright, it's finished. Let's go see how it turned out. Ooh. I hope you guys enjoyed this process and watching me do this. I really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed the turnout of the color and everything. It's really cool to see the before and after, the transformation. I hope you guys continue to watch my videos. I'm gonna have more in the future of more clothes upcycling. Stay tuned for that as well. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!